Home improvement tasks that is not really common knowledge. Sorry for the noise, I'm standing right next to the air handler. But when you have a water heater, you want to drain it about once a year. Sediment tends to build up inside it, and if that sediment gets up to the heating elements, they're heating sediment and not water. They're not really designed to do that, and it will burn out sooner. Really, really easy to do. Let me see if I can't flip the camera around. So here I've just hooked a hose up to the little outlet on the bottom of the water heater, which is there for just that purpose. And I have run it over to a drain, which in my case is a sink, with a spring clamp in place to keep the hose from falling out of the sink and spraying water everywhere. And now I just need to go and find a screwdriver to open the spigot on the bottom of the water heater, and I'll show you how that goes. All right, I've got my screwdriver, and I'm going to go ahead and open this valve up. And then I'm going to run over to the sink so you can see the sediment coming out, which will kind of, I think, make it obvious why you need to do this. Just need to get over there before it all drains out. I don't know if you can tell, but that water is like full of gunk. Full of it. And we don't actually need to drain the water heater entirely, just pull the bottom few inches out of the thing. So let's go ahead and shut that off. Yeah, see, that's all sediment from the bottom of the water heater that was building up in the water heater and would eventually have caused it to burn out. Now, your water heater won't last forever, but you can probably add years to it by doing this. And actually, now that the water level is going down, you can see just how much actual sediment there is in there. It's kind of islands of gravel. I'm going to go ahead and grab some paper towels or a dustpan or something and scoop that out and throw it away rather than put it down the drain, since it is pretty hard stuff, right? This is all lime and scale and whatnot, so minerals from the bottom of the water heater, so better out than in. I'm gonna go ahead and just do this like once or twice more, actually, just to make sure that I can get out whatever else might have been stirred up in the tank, and do this a couple more times, probably take a grand total of 10 minutes, and that should add life to the water heater.